Hello. A little weird today. This is actually Saturday. I am exhausted. So I'm actually sitting and working from my bed. You can see from the other end of the spectrum, there's my workspace right there. So I wanted to get this video out. I've been busy. Most of it spending time with my kids, so it's worth every moment. But otherwise, I hope you enjoy the video. It's a quick one. The second half, so I didn't trade in the morning because I was out of the house. I did have a meeting. I traded right up before it because it was just too good. I actually had two meetings, and as soon as I was done with the second one, I came back and started trading. I knew I only had 25 minutes, and I think I was trying to really push it to make it happen. So I ended up with a very small loss, a very small win, then a full loss, then a really good win. So sometimes, it takes a minute to get that head in the right space. And if you're really trying to make things happen instead of watching things happen, I knew I had very, very limited time. So I'm like, all right, let's go. Yeah, just waiting would have just done me good. But hey, it is what it is. 5 trades. 2 losses, 3 wins, 9 points. So hope y'all enjoy the video. If you got any questions, definitely let me know. Alright guys, I'm literally about to be on a call, so I'm going to be muting this in just a moment, but this is almost too good to pass up right now. It feels like it should pull back further, but man, this is so perfect. I'm going to give it a shot right here. Well, there we go. First target out. I actually have my call holding just a little bit. Sorry, Joey. actually probably going to go ahead. I'm going to close this out. It may have got me for $375 instead of $350. Okay, so that was $550 for 2 contracts. And there we go. That's all I've done today, guys. Today's been a little bit awkward for me. If I have some more time after this call, I will come back for a little bit. I had some things to take care of this morning. I am really going to put some time into the micro e-minis probably in the next week or two. I feel like that's part of why this has been, like, the volume has been very low. Well, that's because people are checking out the new markets. So I'm going to check that out. Over the weekend, Jason and I are doing a lot of work. Well, Jason has been doing a lot of work on some new stuff for my videos, which is really cool. And Jason, if you're watching this, which I know you will later, I appreciate you so much. You have no idea. And that should mean that the vault should be really ready to go within the next few days. Right now, that is only open to my students. I'm considering leaving that open to other people, but I'm not there right now. So, the vault is the entire video of the entire, like everything you saw today that's in fast motion. It's slowed down. You hear me talking, you knowing why I'm doing things. But, more than anything, guys, I hope you have a fabulous weekend. If I don't come back to this, if I do, then, I guess we'll see another trade after this. So, look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side. Alrighty. I have 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Yeah. Turn this off really quick. Go ahead and take that one out. Oh, just looking at that. Yeah. Here we go. Y'all ready? Not done with you. Ooh, that looks ugly, doesn't it? Alright, I gotta be out of this house in about 5 minutes. So this video isn't going to be out till later on this evening. watch this for just a minute longer. This is doing what I think it's going to do. Oh, never mind. I was looking at my other chart. Okay, well. Yeah, so I was up 5.5. I took 2 losing trades. I ended up with 9 points. So let's go ahead and look at these really quick. Let me put them on. Oh, I would put them on my 610, but you won't be able to see them because of my maxis, the way they are. Well, let's put them on the 233. Let's see, 0.5. I really could have left it at that. But I got a little excited. Let's see. Plus 4.5. I really was seeing the reasons to exit here. I just held on a little bit longer because of what I thought that the other thing was telling me, which is cool. That's fine. You know, and I actually took that trade with the confidence in what I was seeing on another chart. So, was it the best day I had? Well, actually, I'm pretty happy with today. No complaints. There are 5 trades, 9 points. Let's just pull this over a little bit so you can see here how many wins. 2 losses, 3 wins, plus 9.0. Okay. There we go. I gotta run. I'll get this uploaded a little later on. All right, guys. I will catch y'all later.